So guys, the very first thing all we're gonna do is let's import some of the photographs. So just click on the plus icon on the bottom screen of your mobile, just click on allow and just select the click on the three dots and unselect the raw files and also video files and just select the JPG or PNG file. Here are the photographs which I'm gonna import to my Lightroom gallery. So just click on the add button, so it would be added to my Lightroom gallery. The thing we're gonna do is let's just import the preset file. So here just click on the plus icon and unselect the click on the three dots and unselect the JPG, only select the raw files. Raw files are the preset file which are present in your SD card or mobile phone. So here is the preset file, that is Urban-X-2.0 mobile Lightroom preset DNG file. Just click on the add button and it will be added to your old photos. So here is the guys preset file which we have imported to the Lightroom. So just click on that photograph or the preset. Now gonna go to the three dots and select the copy settings and just hit OK. Just select all the checkbox and hit right click on it and select hit OK. Now go back and let's apply it to some other photographs and let's see how it actually looks. Let's apply it on this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you can see the difference you are done. It is really looking very amazing guys. You can see the difference. Here's the before and here is the after. So let's try it on some other photographs. Let's try it on this photo. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference guys. It is really looking very amazing and a perfect kind of photo. So let's just try it on this photograph. Just click on the three dots on the right screen of the mobile and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference guys. It is really looking very amazing. Let's try it on some other photos. Just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you can see the difference. It is really looking very creative and kind of urbanist look, which will make your Instagram feed to a kind of next level. Let's just click on the three dots and select the paste settings and you are done. You can see the difference guys. Here's the before and here's the after. So guys, you can just download same preset in the form of PC Lightroom as well as for your camera preset also. So guys, you can just all the links are down given in the description. You can just download it for free from our website also. Also guys, don't forget to check out our website, that is filterpreset.com and ashvircreations.com. So on that website also you can find new backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. Also guys, follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.